Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Yahoo Fantasy Draft not loading. So to fix this issue, you can start by checking for the updates because an outdated app or operating system can cause compatibility errors. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store of your device and then find Yahoo Fantasy Sports, and if you see an update option available here, just tap an update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is restart the app. You see, when you open an app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, just swipe it off from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to completely close it from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is reinstall the app. If the app is freezing, just delete the existing app from your device and then restart your device and go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then re-download it again. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.